pineapple, upside down pineapple. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katt, and today I'm going to show you guys how I created my very own infamous 1950s upside down pineapple, my pineapple upside down cake. Here is the cake here. And it smells so good. This cake was super popular in the 1950s as a party favor and also just as a dessert for every day. And I recreated this with a bunch of ingredients actually from the dollar store and a few that I had laying around. I also incorporated a few of my own little tips and tricks because I really like coconut. It's a little more of a coconut, it's a little more of a pina colada cake rather than just a straight up pineapple cake. So if you guys want to know how I created this cake here, please stay tuned and I will show you. So starting off, guys, I had to cheat a little bit because there was no flour in any of the stores. So I went ahead and I bought a yellow boxed cake by Betty Crocker or whoever, I think it's Loretta. I'm going in with a 1/4 cup of dry or unsweetened coconut shreds. I'm going to add that to the box cake batter. And then I'm going in with some coconut milk, and I'm going to do a 1/4 cup of coconut milk in a separate bowl, and then a 1/4 cup of pineapple juice from the can to complete that to make a half a cup. Vanilla extract, I'm going to add a half a teaspoon to the liquid mixture, and then 2 eggs at room temperature. I'm going to mix that all together, and then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of margarine or butter to the dry mixture. I'm going to whisk them all together. Now I'm going to place the batter in the fridge while I create the topping of the upside down pineapple cake. The recipe I was looking at was calling for canned pineapple rings, so that's what I bought, and it said to dry them thoroughly before using them as the topping, because the drier they are, the less soggier the cake topping would be. So I'm just going to dry them with some paper towel. And then I'm going to add a cup of margarine or butter, whatever you choose. I'm going to heat it over the oven, and I'm going to use a full cup of brown sugar, and I'm going to heat them over the oven together until it becomes like a sauce. So I'm going to add the sauce to the bottom of a cake pan that's well greased. It's really important that it's greased so it'll actually do the flip when it's finished cooking. So I'm going to spread that all along the bottom, and then when I'm done and happy with it, I'm going to press the pineapple rings into the brown sugar and butter mixture. Online you could find a lot of really cool designs to create with like the pineapple slices or rings, whatever you choose to use, but I just wanted to create the traditional pineapple ring perimeter with one in the center for this first time cake. Along with flour not being available this time when I went to go get my baking supplies, I couldn't find maraschino cherries anywhere, so I had to use cherry pie filler. So I've just kind of used that. Try to use maraschino cherries, guys. I think it'll work out a little bit better. I'm going to put them inside all the pineapple rings as well as any of the negative space. And then I'm going to add the batter on top of that. I'm putting the cake in at 350 for 50 minutes until golden brown on top. And I tried to get the flip on camera, guys, but it happened way too quick. Thanks everyone for watching how I created my pineapple upside down cake. My name is Katt. If you want to see more of these sorts of videos, feel free to give me a thumbs up, a subscribe, and a comment, and I will for sure try to make some more of these vintage cooking videos. So without further ado, let's try this thing out. I'm actually a little bit nervous to try this one, just because I did a bunch of things that I probably shouldn't have done. Ingredients I didn't know would work together or not, so without further ado, let's do this. That tastes so good! Oh my god! Oh, that's so good! Alright, I'm gonna post my recipe down on the sidebar here, and you guys gotta do what I did, because it tastes so good. Like, legit, so good. Get a little bit of that pineapple in there. I'm gonna gain so much weight cooking all these delicious like cakes and things. Oh my god. It makes me feel like I should be on a beach somewhere. Like this is like the perfect summer cake. I'm gonna make this for all my friends' birthdays. I can't believe I made this. I'm actually so impressed. And it was actually relatively easy. Yeah, I'm really digging it. You like my dress? Seriously, guys, I'm a genius. Legit, I think I'm a little bit of a genius. I really didn't think this was gonna work out. I'm not gonna lie. I had some serious doubts. All my friends are gonna be so jealous that I'm gonna eat this whole cake without them. I'm just so impressed this turned out. I literally Mickey Moused so many things. Yeah, this is great. I'm so pumped. Well, thanks for watching. I'm gonna eat the rest of this. I'm really so happy that this worked out. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Super cool. Well, thanks guys. Have a great day. Bye.